Open the door. You gonna cooperate?
Yeah, I'm cooperating.
Okay, put the
window's down. Watch your hands. I don't want to pinch you. Doing all right today?
Well, I was until you start getting cute with me.
There's only certain questions I prefer to answer.
Well, don't be a dick with me.
In the summer of 2022, Caleb from the channel Destination Fitness was pulled over by Sergeant Maples of the Christian County Sheriff's Office.
Hi, how are you?
Window down.
It's down. I can hear you.
Open the door. It's your
What you
call,
got?
son. Open the door, open the window.
Am I under arrest?
Not yet, but you will be if you don't start following orders. Put the window down. I need to be able to see, for my safety, that you're not a threat. You gonna cooperate?
Yeah, I'm cooperating.
Okay, put the window's
down. Watch your hands. I don't want to pinch you. I don't want to pinch your hands.
Okay, give me your driver's license, proof of insurance, and pull up 10 more feet so that I'm not sticking out in traffic.
Which would you like first?
Pull up.
Okay.
The sergeant has already attempted to open the vehicle and arrest Caleb for not rolling down his window fully. After moving forward, Sergeant Maples informs him that his tags are expired.
How about a driver's license, proof of insurance?
Doing all right today?
Well, I was until you started getting cute with me.
Cute.
Are you Caleb Winkley?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, son. Okay, you know your tags are expired.
I did not know that.
You ever look at them?
Well, I did the 2-year thing, so after a year or so,
Unlock your door for me, please.
All right.
I want to see inside the door.
I do not consent to any searches.
As a supervisor with what appears to be several decades on the job, Sergeant Maples should know that reaching into Caleb's vehicle without probable cause to search it is an unlawful intrusion of Caleb's Fourth Amendment rights. Caleb clearly states that he does not consent to a search, to which the trooper states, "I'm not searching you."
I do not consent to any searches or
That's right,
seizures.
I'm not searching you, but may I touch you here?
The trooper then points to Caleb's tattoo that depicts the names of his children written on a scroll that wraps around a M1911, claiming that the tattoo is always an indicator that Caleb might have a gun, which is a silly notion as possessing a weapon is not illegal. Nor would the tattoo give the trooper any reasonable cause to search Caleb or his property.
See that? That's always an indicator that you might have a gun.
Okay.
And I want to make sure
illegal?
that you're not, it's not, but I just want to make sure you're not pointing it at me.
I'm going to keep my hands right where they are.
Perfect.
You want me to? All right.
Caleb puts his hands in view and the trooper heads to his cruiser, returning a few moments later to ask questions that Caleb rightfully refuses to answer.
I'm sneaking up on you. Do I call you Mr. Winkley or Caleb?
Whatever you prefer.
Well, Caleb, how come your plates are not on file?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Have you sent in the documentation for that through the Department of Revenue? You're not law enforcement or anything?
No, sir.
Prior military?
I don't answer questions.
Say again?
So there's only certain questions I prefer to answer.
Well, don't be a dick with me.
I'm not.
I'm trying to work with you, son.
The video unfortunately ends abruptly. However, after speaking with Caleb, we learn that the trooper was very interested in whether Caleb was prior service military or current law enforcement because his tags weren't in the system. Caleb alleges that the trooper threatened him with a citation unless he answered his questions, but ended up only issuing a warning. He told Caleb that the whole town thought he was one of the nicest officers in town, and that he shouldn't be so scared because he's in his 70s, and because of his age, the department won't trust him with ammo for his sidearm in an apparent attempt at humoring Caleb. Refusing to answer questions is not, quote, being a dick. It is a constitutional protection afforded to the citizens of the United States. The problem is that officers fail to see themselves as the enforcement arm of the political machine. And when citizens prefer not to be invaded by sworn agents of the state, they take it personally. Let me know what you think down below. Would you have answered the trooper's questions? Caleb's channel will be linked in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to head over there and let him know I sent you.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content. And check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.